Hello Holochain holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. This is the big news, big update of the Holochain. My friends, in this video I'm going to discuss the future of the Holochain. Is the price pump, is the price jump in the July month or not, my friends? We are talking about the July month of the Holochain, my friends. So keep watch this video complete, and if you are new on my channel, please click the subscribe button. Also like this video for more news and updates videos, my friends. So now, my friends, in this time the latest price of the Holochain is 0.005962 USD dollar. That is the currently latest price of the Holochain. Furthermore, you can see here if we talk about the price changes of the Holo. So now at this time the last 1 hour chain is negative, last 1 day, last 1 week. My friends, the previous chain is open in the Holochain is positive, but now the latest change is open in the Holo is negative 1.2%. The price change is negative, my friends. Furthermore, let's see the price chart of the Holochain. Oh my goodness, my friends, from the start of April, the Holochain prices start falling down, and still the price of the Holochain is going down. So my friends, you are in the big lows. My friends, you are in the big lows. If you want to save yourself from lows, so my friends, I think you have to hold Holochain for 6 months, for 4 months. If you want to save yourself from lows and take profit from the Holochain, so you have to hold for long term, my friends. Anyways, my friends, we can't say about the future, but now you know what, cryptocurrencies change life in the minute, my friends. Now we can't say about the future. Maybe the price of the Holochain tomorrow increase, maybe after 1 hour the price will take a quick jump. So we can't say about the future, my friends. But my friends, my personal prediction tell me about a Holochain that there's a higher possibilities to the price will pump in the July, my friends, and after 2-3 July, my friends. Because you know what, after a great fast they have to take a jump, my friends. After a fast there is a jump. That is the common rules of the cryptocurrencies market, my friends. Anyways, what is your opinion, what is your prediction about Holochain? Please also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech Channel for more news and updates videos.